Me say people something what them under sent to me for me. I go try to remember and just put me 2 minutes. Solaine, again, Dr. Go, thank you very much. If anybody wants to donate groceries to Solaine, the wholesale, you can pay. I'm sending the money to the wholesale. Please send the money to the wholesale. Now, me address some little things out here. If Dana did broke, Dana would use Solaine because most of the plank of them don't check for Solaine like that. And it's the honest truth. It's the honest truth. So she wouldn't have to draw for Solaine if she make money. She could have just sit down on her life and say, me I go leave Jamaica. I want a weekend. I want something and just sit down right on her life, just like what she do her 3 and her 4 hour, and her super chat would have turn up, her money would have turn up. So therefore she don't have to use Solaine because Dana don't beg for herself. If Dana come out and want something, look when Dana go do her bus ride and her something, how much people and she about, she don't have to use Solaine. Now, where is the police report? Where is because if these people go to court, you know, the judge are going to want to say, you're going to make report a police, you go to your doctor, you go to a psychiatrist, or so no. So if you don't have that, so why should Ragashanti know? What me gonna do like to see people survive? Thank you very much. What me couldn't like to see people survive? What me couldn't like to, I want me ask you something. Me want to ask you something. Dan and you no white foul. What me couldn't wicked so to it one? What make you terrible so? If you don't want to blog or don't want to criticize, come with the fact and come with the truth and come with something sensible. Come again. I'm not going to cuss her, you know, I'm not going to cuss her today. I'm going to give Tina a little bit of break today. I'm not going to give Tina. I see Tina come out the other day with what transpired with the lady from Connecticut and what about Miss Princess talking about Miss Princess Santal and in there girl and right in there and in there girl is God give you life and it's only him one can take it. No weapon formed against you, Miss Princess, shall prosper. So what transpired? Now come here, Tina. When you come out here and you sit down on live and you have a sick daughter, you out here, yeah, cause Chris and your daughter, just like because I think that same daughter had a problem with her foot a couple months before. And that all day you stay upon live and cuss Chris and yeah, cuss Dana, yeah, cuss people. Yeah, cuss Chris, yeah, cuss Dana. So where people have sympathy with you about with your daughter, why? Happy Saturday, Queen Car. Why should people have sympathy? We have sympathy upon the child as a sickness and she never buy. But remember, you see him one that cuss Miss Princess. You see him one cuss people out here. You see him one cuss Chris about in sexuality. When you hear Chris attack his story, so you never have no feelings in nobody. After when you do Chris, you do urine. You do urine. You did urine and you have a son, CJ older than urine. You have a son and you do urine the worst. You do urine the worst because you went as far as trying, all because Chris had said that his friend in Germany. What you do to urine? So when let me go in now where everybody a ball on my phone and I come out here now. Make me go in a way because I don't know where they ball on my phone for a tent me living and I can't put up people. A tent me living me only have this to say and I don't care. I don't care who make me a concern. So when did this eviction the go along here? Because me kind of confused. But since they send me clip and they call me down and send thing I don't want to hear for me to send me I go say. So when the live did do for Miss Princess Health and Life, the eviction did a go along already. Me don't know because they say me free to chat to someone on the phone, so I rather chat to no out here. Because me see all sort of strange number send me this now. Me tell you something, people. Me live in a tent, me can't put up anybody. Me see uno send me all sort of something and me kinda confused. Me not come to tear down nobody, but me concerned. Me no know if when me a try to understand, because when I take off the clip them and sit now, me can't watch everything. It's like this place was rent through a third party. I am not letting go Tina, but Tina is try Tina. All of the meal and the something then gone already. So when you out here, they try act nice, Tina. What you said already, it said already. The Bible tells you that the food where you eat the file your body is the word that come from your mouth. All of them they click the way you do. But the liquor guy, but me say can tell us something. Me say people, you know what burn me out I too smarty them with Tina truck. Me say not even me no burn me so. Not even me no burn me so. Tina and Chris used to talk, right? And all because say Chris got Jamaica go meet Dana, Tina look problem with Chris. And getting it and cuss Chris and go on the most and she talk all sort of thing about the man. Then she go and all because say she see Chef Noel pan a page, and when she did do with Dime because they said Dime's going to see Miss Princess cuss the people them the people that were down trouble people, you're too wicked. And not letting go Tina no time soon, but I just keeping the because I'm tell you something, I kinda shocked. The eviction kinda shocked me or the moving because when you tell because they say me based on what me get to understand say the how you da call she now, because to say as far as what me know, when me would understand and people would help me here, that if in case anything they not sue me or because if they sue me I won't have to go help me with liar because I can't take my picnic school fee and pay a liar mother rather go to prison. I would rather to pay my child's school fee and talk to my picnic them and go to prison, go rub the time and come back. Yeah man. I would rather I ain't gonna take so me a beg no do. Me the beg no do. Me not lucky like Ivan if I get the 1,000. What I understand is that somebody rent a place, we call that name Maklar over here, like an agent. They rent somewhere and I guess they had the lease or the contract. And then they, because when you break a lease, then this is why you have to read your first contract, because some contract will tell us so when the date expires automatically, while some don't say anything because I might not live in a big foreign. Me know the basic law. So I guess that person did not want to break the lease and she put her in the house. Well, this is the thing, because it's up where I live to, I have a car park and this is the thing. So I guess this problem start from, because this is one big this we have to fix the puzzle. I guess this is when me think, uno can say what uno think. I guess the problem start from where Miss Connecticut, because her name is not on the lease, they should get in a lot of parking ticket, and the person that you rent the house from maybe in that case. Remember, I know that will be two contracts speaking here, two contract, because she would have one from the agent from the house, whether the house owner or the agent, whosoever, and then she would give Miss Connecticut one contract. So when the parking come a Miss Connecticut, I get the parking ticket, then Miss Connecticut talk to her. And I don't know because they said this is where now it come. The lady I say she tell Miss Connecticut fi move, and Miss Connecticut I say as she decide fi move. No. The thing is now, me only want to know if when that the live they did do for Miss Princess Health, if the notice or the eviction or the what have not if it did come true, if it did that they already. Hi Jesus. I don't know what to say. Because I say, but me not understand too. Let me tell you something. You see me? That's why I made it call around a wish part. I deliver because the people let me just sell it as where it is. If I come in a house, I'm like it, I like it. If I don't like it, I don't like it. I'm going to tell you something I like it, but you're not here, me do no problem. You're not here, me talk, me not call me. You're not here, me make no problem. You're not here, me do, I don't do that. When Miss Connecticut get the house, Miss Connecticut was boasting. I never seen me here, so the kitchen was really, it's a nice copy. And Miss Connecticut talk like if she lease her place with whatsoever credit, and Miss Connecticut was boasting about the pay, because I went over Speak My Mind platform, because that's where I will listen to Miss Connecticut over on the platform. I don't go on them page. No, but if listen, did you cut? I don't listen to the lady live, but because listen, but she is asking for deposit. Make sense. She's asking for deposit, and she don't live there long. But she said she have a job now, and she said it's a private case. But anyway, so she said the place was very nice and clean, nice and over Connecticut. So now you tell me understand about the parking. I understand about the parking. Why this don't look good? I just don't. I'm gonna tell you something. It just no look, it just don't look good. It don't, and then sometimes it's not what we want. Let me tell you something. Sometimes it's not what we want in life. Is thing there. I mean, I give you an advice, so not come for me. Tweet the on social media, I give me 2 cents on it. Try to come for me, coming on a time for you. What is not what we want is what is in our best interest. I heard on the same Speak My Mind live, because that's where I'm telling them my list, and she said that her sister have house, and her sister is telling her, I think that's the best thing for you to do. I think that's the best thing for you to do. People, sometimes I think that's the best thing. Then you're working now, you can save up your money, and then you can be strong. Because let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, people. I don't know about nobody, but let me tell you something. You know, so I can't take problem. Me cannot take problem. I can't take problem, because then you have to go move again, you have to go pack up, you have to go this, you have to go that, storage this, so it's just not, But she said like she never gives something. Me now go say something right, because what the whole of the money should be, what the whole of the money should be. She said her two sister them. She said one of them living alone. Can the niece go to college? I hear that what she said, and she said her sister tell her to come. And if me get an offer like that, but she said she don't want to live on nobody's yard, but there and then again for your help. Because remember, you know, it just, you know, I don't know her. Why? It's just don't, and then people coming out and the woman come here. So the woman must say she go build YouTube channel and come up. Me not tell nobody what them nothing because me not tell nobody say them nothing about contact them truth or them side. Everybody have them platform to talk, but I just don't know. But me I tell you, it not look good. It not look good, sister. It don't look good. Maybe I'm proud and pride. I'm not encourage you to beg. Maybe that you should have just talk to your follower. Them or talk to somebody where you think they one of your good people. Them because I'm gonna tell you something. It's in the week. Let me tell you something. You have friends where you say you're not a friend no much, whether the lady this or what have you not, and see if them can come and then maybe can help you with a part, and you know a lot of place of benefits where you can get because it rent must pay. So you know, let me tell you something. It is okay to do, because I can tell you about property to own property. It is okay if you don't, because I know a lot of people when them reach retirement age, them sell them house. No, listen to me. That's no. Let me tell you something. That will be nothing. Hold on a minute. Hold on. Yeah, that was quick. Gonna better make sure it's a thing that makes you have to run down left for now. Listen, let me tell you something. Sometimes we have to put on thing there. When you have, this is why I try my best, and sometimes you might, that's the problem that me and my kids have. I try my best, and I don't care when nobody want to say. The only box coming to my house is when I move, and even when time them I move. Let me tell you something. That's why anywhere me go, me make sure you sit down on the box, the bottom there. First of all, the box them have to pull. When me I move, this is how me move, because I got tell you where did happen to me already. And if you know curious so hard, when me I move, me no want nobody give me no pull up the box, then me will take them. Pull up the box, then me will take them, because me tell you something. They say, well, me no feel say two cockroach can breed, you only want get one. I remember, and me no want no box. When me go to supermarket, give me the bag. Me no want no box. I go to supermarket and my bag did full, and the guy give me one little box. But what Jill put her in a Jill and CJ fault collided and a glass in the leave Jill alone. Leave Jill alone. One little box. When I come home with the box, I see one teenager. I don't know roach in my house, you know, people. I see one teenager drop, run for underneath the box. People, hey. Remember me tell you, say, Remember me tell you say I was to call in, and even when you call in a treatment. I want teenager come out here, you know? Come out here box, you know? I'm saying from that, me say me be very careful because I say I don't want no rat because rat get leptospirosis, and I don't know where roach carry, but all I know roach don't smell good, and anyway roach crap me no want no insect in me. Oh, I don't even think I would have want a in dog because I say hungry people always tell them hungry people not for one dog. And I don't want no box. Me keep my place clean all for me worst day. Keep my place clean, wash my plate, dash weg, yeah, I don't care. Me use all the plastic make my garbage bag safe. Me use the white plastic one them in the bathroom them. Because I say me can't afford to go catch, and me not supposed to. And me tell you another thing. Me not supposed to. Me cannot live with insect. I will mad. I will mad. I cannot, because I said when I go on my bed, that's why me no want. Me have plastic cup and I have foam. Who don't want to wash no plate for night time? They want everything, because I said when once, so it is normal that she's going to, because when she was leaving from Connecticut, remember she did not do she did not spray the place professional pest control. You take them up, them move. Them move. Remember, even when she was packing the box. Remember, even when she was packing the box, you could see them. So them going and thinking that she got to the shelter and she take up things, even at the vehicle. And it is normal. So she's gonna have them. Two places I eat, either outside, on the little piece of balcony, or around my dining table with placemat. Me no business. I have my friend them will tell me say table mat and then something out that time. Me I save my place from insect. God. Boy, it is just sad. It is just sad because that was it. Because when she said she rent the place, and it no bother make no sense, because when this and it go hard, because guess what now? And this is why when people owe certain actually try to pay your bill, and that's why me tell them, me will turn in my broke lane, me will stay in my poverty lane, me will stay in my struggle lane. Cause when the right time come, me nah dirty up. When me go for rent now, when me supposed to can get it. When me go for open anything, because these are the things where big life traveling, and I'm not talking she alone. It's cause it's not she alone tonight. It's not she alone. Right now I know somebody where them want a vehicle, and because of bad credit, a lady and your business me attack and nobody don't know who you, and because of bad credit, them want a vehicle and cannot get it. So it is normal. So in that case, what would the blame her, because I know that she was coming out, I know from where she was coming to the place was infested with roach and all sort of things. So then who want to expect? And this is where poor show, because I will forever say, when the England trip, the boat ride, the gala and all those things, those money could go to the rent. If you don't plan to own a house, you cannot expect that you're going to live, because as a woman, a man can be homeless. And as a woman, you want somewhere, you want to relax in your bed, you want support, you want to, you just sometimes you want to get up, you never want to go door if you go face nobody. You're in your house, when you live in your house, nobody can tell you nothing. You're there in your house, so your landlord now look for you. Because sometimes some people you're in your house to, your landlord come and your landlord now look for you, your landlord now call you. You pay your rent. And try to make uno circle if you don't know so uno owe, instead of a file for bank go pay a little go make payment plan. For you to do cooking, because I don't know how the food tastes, but you have to try to make your food presentable. When you cannot, nobody not buying any food, because let me tell you something. I have gone to places, I mean, tell you, your food must be presentable. Food must nice, like one nice handbag. Food must nice and presentable. Yeah, long time nobody, but more time, let me tell you something. More time when you cook, you may get one little plastic plate when my kids them with cereal and just plot the rice in it and put it down nice. And you just make your little tomato and you slant your banana, your plantain, and you slant your carrot, cut them nice, cut them with all their potato, peeler, and cut them and you give them. And them things the kids eat and nice and shake them up. Food have to be presentable, man. You can't just fling out something so and thing that when you are cooking. Let me tell you another thing. I hear this from a blogger. When you're cooking for people, whether or not you can, you know, sometimes when I see me here, I don't, cause let me tell you something, I do not like, let me tell you something. Maybe to my growing, my granny old fashioned. If you want, don't talk over food. Spit fly. Do not talk over food. If you wanna go eat it, it is okay. Make yourself print. Let me tell you something, people. You see, all one time you're not find not even bathroom. I want to use one time I run in my kitchen. I cook, and I'm finished. Me see all people you cook and you want piss, you want. No man, me none of them that's something. Me get up on my bed, well, me not maybe once in every 20 years my belly will go loose. That day me not go round up, me not cooking. That day I'm not cooking. I cook, yeah, cook and attack, yeah, attack. You're there on telephone and you cook. No man, me grand cook me pa cook me a cook. I no want me pick them eat me spit. It's just nasty, maybe because my granny, I just saw me grow. Me a cook, I make more piss, more want no, me none of them the fart there. A food you look about to go down in your belly. You try very delicate. So not everybody for eat from. So when you go say cook and sell, I know everybody supposed to a cook and sell. And everybody supposed to a cook and sell, man. Watch it, and I said it before, and I said that is one thing with Dirty Tina. Tina nan do a live when time she a cuss and a talk about the rum cake. No, when she a do, she will stay and do a live like talk about the sheets. Talk about why do you have a progressive and a successful business but you have so much things in stock? You have so much things in stock. When you cook, you have to be principle. You have to have principle. You not go bathroom. You not talk over food. Your nails them have to clean. Your pot fi clean. Your stove fi clean. Your kitchen sink fi clean. Down to your toilet bowl fi clean. Whether you don't want to believe it or not, every you see how time I clean it, don't run at the brim thing there, round underneath every morning. I throw a little bleach and clean, rub round my toilet. Upon it, you sit down and pee. Me tell you, when I brush my teeth, I make sure I spit. You see all my in a toilet bowl, I spit the mouthwash and the toothpaste something right in a toilet bowl. Right into the toilet bowl, I spit and then I wash up my mouth, gargle water. Very weird, clean my want because that's a face base. So, because my toothbrush can drop in it. That's how me look. Me a eat, me a brush teeth. Me a brush my toothbrush when water one more one go down in my sink. Maybe me crazy, but I just saw me grow a certain way where certain thing must clean. No care how me sit me now lie down in my head when me admit to hospital. Me walk up and down, me now lie down in my bed, but just go eat in my bed. No man, me have principle. And if you don't have no principle, you cannot. And it's the same thing. Me grow up, me know kids will eat and something, but you know them are kids, and me still now make them overdo it. Much you say that's a eat, talk, eat. Come on. If you feel sad because it say it's you alone, make we do the check-in here. And you have to find at least $20. You get up in the morning. You get up in the morning. Of course, you have to keep your little place clean. You get up in the morning, and when you get up in the morning, you got McDonald's and you spend $10. Then you pass somewhere again and you stop at the hot dog stand and you spend $2. That's a $12, you know. And them are the cheap one. Then you got the Jamaican restaurant and you spend $20, $25. Then you go back to one other place again and you spend $5, and at the night again you find KFC and spend $10. That's roughly $60 now. $60 you eat because you say you feel like say you don't want to cook because you're single. $60. Alright? Panta pipe, nothing healthy good and not going on you. Nothing healthy kai for them. The 2 little piece of vegetable yesterday I put in the food. Nothing healthy good and not get na you. You eat that $60. Me go count cause me go do it roughly. For 10 days. Most of the month them in the year carry 30. And $600 that you know. And $360 you know, and $1,800 that you know. So you name off your rent money. You name off your rent money because so you feel like you don't live alone when you could have get a place and get healthy food. Now you get up in the morning as a Jamaican. You go so rare. Either you make a cup of tea or a cup of coffee. You know, so once a month or once a week you can go treat yourself. You know, people coming and tell nobody to live cheap, you know, because they say you live. Me not tell nobody say because this is me. You live once, so you have to enjoy yourself. You have to enjoy, you have to treat yourself, you have to take care of yourself. But me not say you have to go to Gilatin and then you have bigger problem. Now you buy your food. Now you get up in the morning and as a Jamaican and you want why take you now if you have a cup of tea in the morning when you have your cup of tea? You get your blender, you have your nice blender, your bullet where you want name on a bullet this or no bullet that a blender. Me use my love in the bullet business. And you blend some oats with dates in it, or you blend some oats with raisin in it, and have that. Put little if you want you put little strawberry, you know you fix yourself, you blend it and you drink it. And in the day you know you eat one apple or one banana. And when in the day you eat, you have like a piece of fillet, you like a piece of whatsoever you want to eat. Anything where you go, you cook your little food and you make your little, whether your rice, your potato, your bulgur, your vegetable, and your nice, you cook your nice little food. And whether you want, you cook 2 or you cook it with some. If you don't want to eat it the same day, you cook it and you put it down and you freeze. Where you have to freeze, if you want, you cook every day. You alone, you cook every day. You eat that about another 2 o'clock. Now you tell me now. Now you tell me, pa, hurt now. Don't to baby. People, none of my baby, only one. The one that sucked the breast, my 17-year-old. You see, anytime after 10 o'clock when my baby then reach 4 months. That's why anytime you see them got the auntie or no with them, my pitney then. Because you see, when they reach 4 months, they make sure so when 10 o'clock, they give them the last buckle, you know, man, and that, them have to fight. Anytime you see them get up again, man, either they sit down with them yai, turn them yai, and then go, a water. That not more than 2 nights. Down to them. After 10 o'clock, when 10 o'clock come, you have one little yogurt and one little salt biscuit and one little canned soup with 2 pieces of toast, and you go on your bed. Why you there panting? You know what else you want to eat? You don't want up, you must not use food to damage your body. You need food to live like our car need gas. If you take one car and you overfill it with gas, or you fling your PSLS somebody fling diesel and then car and mash up then car engine, and you take it just a damn all of these oily food, all of these things that not helping it, only use, so you're only using your money to damage yourself. And this is one of the things like say, okay, we now live bigger, people grudge you. No! If nobody grudge you, it's just like, and I'm only clothes, and I'm not talking one individual, I'm talking in general. There is, if you are work where you can't find time to wash clothes, something wrong with you. Slavery done long time. Why would you get up every day. That me now match up your clothes business, me why you sell enough clothes. And get up and I buy clothes. If a $5 fee hit, not because a $5. Not because a $5 fee, put on the $5, they use the $5, they do something. That $5 blows because on the door. Go wash on the clothes and fold them up and repeat them because it's food want them at long as them in a good condition. Take care, we have to take care as woman. We just use money and food and a poil with body. We're poiling with body. Me too, when I was with my husband and we used to have the lady that work with help, she don't take out my garbage. She does not wash my garbage pan. She don't because the kids have dog. Man, these are things when I teach my kids them from them small. She don't water flowers either from them small. Me have the bucket. Me that mean small like 2 and 4. You take up the look and you throw water flowers. There are things. And the same thing with my kid, them got to wash them plate. When them liquor, them have to clean the plate. Nobody want, because I tell someone, slavery finished a long time.